Hey everyone, just a quick video here unboxing this BONTEC PC tower holder. So I have one of those adjustable, height adjustable desks, and I wanted to hide my CPU under the desk, and I thought this would be perfect for my setup. The instructions specify that it should be installed as designed. In other words, it's made for the CPU to be installed in an upright position. For me, I wanted to install it sideways or in a horizontal position only because I feel it would hide more of the PC. And as I inspect this product, it is doable, but I think I'm just going to stick to the manufacturer's suggestions and leave it in the upright position. You can see the metal brackets here. They're pretty sturdy, nice strong metal. And that's the part that gets mounted to the bottom. And then those plastic straps, they're made kind of like a grip holder for the bottom of your PC. But overall, I think this is going to be a good fit for me. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, guys.